the projections of solids by using AutoCAD software. First you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Type the command limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line. Select this line and offset. Take the distance. Take the line, select some point and take the cursor to some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And again you take the cursor to the top side and then again click on the first button of the mouse and then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and take offset. Select the distance as 210 and select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window. You select this and here you take the dtext command. Type dt dtext. So here the height as 4, the rotation angle as 90, so rotation angle is 0, and here take the problem number 160. Take problem number 160, a tetrahedron of 55 mm sides rests on one of its corners such that an edge containing the corner is inclined to HP at 50 degrees and VP at 30 degrees. Draw its projections. Then go to zoom previous. Then go to zoom window. Now we take the polygon command. So here first we go for layer. Click on new. Type XY. Again click on new. Type axis. Click on new. Type locus. Click on new. Type visible. Click on new. Type invisible. Now we go for layer 0. Line weight set it as 0.05. Layer XY line weight as 0.13. Layer axis line weight as 0.05 and layer locus as 0.05. Then layer visible as 0.5 and layer invisible as 0.3 and say OK. Set the line type of invisible. Click on load, make it as hidden and say OK. Click on hidden and say OK. And then click on locus line type. Click on load, make it as dash dot. Say OK. Click on dash dot and say OK. Then go to axis line type continuous. Click on load. You make that it as center. Select on this and click on center and say OK. And finally you close the layer command. Then go to polygon. Type the number of sides as 3. Take edge option. Select this and take polygon. Take number of sides. Take edge. You select this edge and take the distance as 55. Then go to line. Take INT of this and then midpoint of this. Then go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to select, go to CH and go to layer. Click on visible and say escape and take the line weight display. Then go to move. Select this entire thing and move it further. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line and go to line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line INT of this and draw a vertical line and go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two then go to circle, take intersection point of this and take the radius as 55. Then go to break this line in the anti-clockwise direction, and then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this, then go to line, int of this and int of this, then go to trim between this line and the cutting edge. So you are going to break this line till here, then you select this, go to layer, you make this as axis layer and take the distance as 15, and here you take the distance as 15 or 10. So then select on this, you select on this and you select on this, you make that layer as visible. Then here, then go to group this, then go to group, select this, you make it as a group, then go to copy, select this, copy this to this position and go to line, take int of this, then at the rate 100 less than 50 degrees, then go to rotate, select this and take intersection point, base point, intersection of this, then reference int of this, second point int of this, then take nearest point on this. So then go to erase this line, then go to move, select this, move it nearer, then go to line. So here this is a dim angular, select between this line and this line. Now you can see that the angle is 50 degrees. Then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this and take line int of this and take line int of this and take line int of this, then take line int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then trim here between these two, then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and similarly line int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between this line and this line, then go to line, take int of this and take int of this and take int of this and line int of this and take intersection part of this and take int of this, and go to break, select this first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and at the rate, and then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now you select this line and you make this line as axis and you take this distance as 5, and here you take this as 5, it doesn't change, then you click on this and make it 0.5. So then say escape, then go to 0.25. So here you're going to get this, then go to select this, you select this and you select this and you make this as the visible edges, you make this as visible and then escape, then you select this, you select this and you select this and you make this as invisible edges and make this distance as 10, then you make this as 20, then you just go to group command, so group this, enter, select this entire drawing and make it as group, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take line int of this and draw this, then go to line, take the nearest point on this and you say at the rate 100 less than minus 150 degree, then go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 55 because that is the true length, radius as 55, then go to break, select this and break this, and here you select this and break this, then go to line int of this and draw a horizontal line and take fillet between these two. And once you do that, then go to DDIM. Now you take primary units as up to second decimal point and go to text. You take the text height as 4, aligned with the dimension line centered above and take the dimension as 3 and take the arrow size as 4 and then go into lines, take the offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim horizontal, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this and take 35.35. Then now you take a circle, take center of this and take the radius of 35.35 and then go to break between these two and similarly break between these two. Then erase this, then go to copy, select this, copy this intersection point of this and take center point of this. Then go to rotate, select objects, select this and take base point int of this and take the reference as 180 and take the intersection point of this. Then here, then go to break, select this and you break this and you select this. Then you select this line, go to layer, make this as a locus line and take the distance as 10. Then go to line, take int of this. So here you take this intersection and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and go to line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this and then take fillet between these two. Then go to line, int of this and draw a horizontal line and take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this and then draw fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then similarly line, int of this is over. Then go to line, you draw a line from here, then go to line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this, take int of this and take int of this and then draw int of this and then draw int of this and then draw line int of this and take int of this. Once you do that, then go to break this line, first point take int of this and say @ Now we want to clear this. So here all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So this line, this line, this line and this line is visible and the surface near to the observer is visible. This line is visible. Go to layer and you make that as a visible one and then here you make this line as invisible and you make this line as invisible layer. Go to make it invisible, take the distance as 10, then escape. Then you select this line, go to layer, make this line as axis and make this as 10, then go to escape. Now once you do that, then go to zoom previous. Now we go for PDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, make it as 0 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim vertical, select this line, take this as 55 and dim aligned, select this line and take this distance as 55 and dim angular, select between these two, you select this as 50 degrees. Then go to dim TED, select this line and take it here. Similarly dim angular, select between these two and you take it as 30 degrees. Then go to dim angular, dim angular, select between this line and this line. So you get take text, give space and say enter, then place it the arc dimension and then go to M text. So select the window, then go to symbol, type symbol, switch off the caps lock and type small letter B to get beta. Once you get this, now we go to break, select this line, break it, then you click on this and you click on this and go to layer, make this layer as XY. Then here, then go to D text, put on the caps lock and type X, you type VP, you type HP, you type Y, then go to type small letter A, you B, and C. Here it is O, here it is O1 in bracket. Then come down to this point, then go to A dash, then you type B dash, you type C dash here in bracket, and here it is O dash, and here it is O1 dash. Then go to zoom window, then take it near to the screen, and then go to move, switch off the ortho, take this and move it here, and you move this C here, and you move this O here, then you move this O1 here, then take B, and then you type X, you take VP, and you type HP, you take A dash, you take C dash, you take O1 dash, you take B dash, you take O dash, then you copy B dash here, then you copy O dash here, you copy A dash here, you copy C dash here, then you copy O1 dash here. Once you do that, then go to copy O here, then you copy A here, then copy C here, and you copy B here. Actually it should be B in bracket, type small letter B in bracket, and again you copy small O1 in bracket. Then go to move, you select this, move it here, then you move A somewhere here, then go to B and move, you take it out here, then go to copy, select this copy O1 on this side, and you type B here, and you type A, copy A here, you type C here, you type O here, and go to zoom previous, then zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to break this line till here, then go to move, you move it here, then go to the text, you type O dash, here you type A dash, here you type C dash, here you type B dash, and here you type O1 dash, then go to move it appropriately. This is A dash, this is O dash, so this is O1 dash, this is B dash. Once you do this, then go to zoom previous, then go to exit this, then go to save, go to appropriate dry, go to E AutoCAD, go to solid drawings, and type P160 and say save, and then save it, and finally exit the